The North remembers, and so do I. A crown means nothing if the people wearing it stand alone.
The North is quieter now, but my heart has never been louder.
I'm not who I was, and I'm not done becoming who I will be.
The world remembers what the living choose to forget.
Fire made me who I am, and fire destroyed what I loved.
I've made mistakes, but at least they were mine.
I'll never again be the girl who waited to be saved.
A queen's duty doesn't die, even if she does. They feared my dream because they never understood it.
I have seen too much to doubt what is coming.
Every choice I made came with a price. I can feel the weight of all of them.
Danger doesn't frighten me. Standing still does.
My dragons were my strength, but my mercy was my downfall.
Peace is fragile. It breaks the moment we turn away from it.
Power changes hands, but wisdom rarely does.
Every shadow is a lesson. Every scar is a story.
I don't know where I belong, but I know what I must protect.